Food prepping, God? Please lend me strength. Because you know I'm weak. I'm starting food prepping this week. And I need y'all to stay tuned and get with me. Blend boy.
Hold up your bag, or look at the ass. You gon' have to show me how you put on your swag. Fucker, please show me how you get in your bag. On the sauce, you a boss, and you drip in the bag. I can take your cute shot to keep on your mag.
Hey, look, I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm gonna need y'all help with this. I'm starting food prepping. Trying to lose a little bit of this gut. But also I'm trying to fatten my pockets. I got goals, dreams, aspirations of being great. Y'all forget that little bag of trash over there in the corner. I ain't bought no trash can yet, I'm cheap. So what we're gonna do here, man, we're gonna start food prepping today. I'm gonna start with breakfast. We're gonna do lunch and dinner. Let's go. All right, so breakfast for me is a favorite. And what would breakfast be without my little friends right here? Wait. Oh, listen to him. Please quack me. Please quack me and eat me, fat boy. Let's cook. Alright, so we're gonna start with the eggs. Just add in some butter or margarine, whatever you prefer. Alright, so the goal is to prep breakfast for 3 days. So right now I started with 6 eggs. I'm gonna see what that yield. Hopefully it'll be enough for all 3 containers, but if not, we could just make more. Let's cook the eggs. So this is what I got out of using 6 eggs. So it looks like it's gonna be about 9 eggs to get all 3 containers filled. But can't believe it, man. We out here food prepping. Now a lot of people think I be playing when I say this, but ladies, the key to my heart. That's all you gotta do. If you can cook these pancakes, and they gotta be. You could be the one. Pancakes, baby. That's the key. Man, y'all better stop playing with me, baby. We out here food prepping, man. We out here food prepping. Breakfast prepared for 3 days, you feel me? Breakfast. I'm just saying now. We up here food prepping, you feel me? Breakfast for 3 days. Saving money is the aim. Prep that food. Make enough for you to get full off of, but not overly full. Keep it healthy. Now look, it took my all not to get sausage. It did. It took damn near my all. But I went with the turkey bacon. This one happened to be maple. Yeah, man. Let's get going. First day food prepping. Hopefully these videos will get better, but y'all bear with me as we adjust. Yeah. I really just heat it up, let it get a little crisp to it, but nothing major with the turkey bacon. See, I got a bit of a crust on the form on it. That's all I need, man. I put it in the bowl. Turkey bacon, turkey bacon. Get it, yeah. Get it. Trust me, I'll figure out how to make it more elaborate as I go. But this is my first food prep, man. I just finished prepping breakfast for 3 days. If you're wondering why that one don't have the butter on it, cause this is one of the days I'm finna eat that mug, man. I was finna say something else, but I'm finna eat that mug, man. Yeah, man, it's breakfast. I'm gonna throw out some chicken, and I think I'm gonna be in this same video. We're gonna prep the salads for 3 days. So as you can see, got my first meal prep bowl here. Also got me a 000 yogurt bowl. I don't know. I have to somewhat be full, man, just so I ain't having like super hunger cravings and shit. But yeah, man, let's go.